Oh, we got one.
Hi. We've been waiting for you.
Do you guys want to go on break?
Yeah.
You guys haven't taken a break yet, right?
Really?
Yeah, you guys can go on break.
Are you sure?
Take 30 for lunch. All right, yeah, let's bring in the afternoon squad. Let's give them a premium wash, boys. Let's go, let's move, let's move, let's move. Boys, little cock rub on the license plate, maybe? Yeah, that shit's hot as fuck.
Can I get my keys, please?
You want keys?
Yeah. Can I get my keys?
Okay. All right, boys, let's do the rinse.
No.
I think the keys are in the whip, no? Oh. Yo, wait, we didn't even dry it yet. Holy fuck.
You got mad and took off?
Yeah, whatever, easy work for us, boys. Little one each. Roll these up, let's rip some fucking Hollywoods later, boys.